All right, we're calling this paint job of the roll cage done. For the Big Speed National Effort Touring 3 2006 330i. It's an E90. Right down to the custom plate, man. Came out just the way I wanted. This was really hard paint to work with. This Rust-Oleum silver metallic. I mean, I wanted a poppin' bright silver. I got it, man. Really good paint, super cheap. Watch the runs. And I did one mistake. One little final spray and I'm like, oh, got a bunch of shit on there. I'm leaving it. I think that'll be hidden by the dashboard. But damn it, I am very happy with how this came out. I'm gonna throw a little carbon fiber wrap on that sunroof panel. And this bad boy is now I get into the fun stuff of like installing all the race gear and the safety equipment. But I put a lot of work into this. This for those over 55, I would not recommend it. It was going to be like $2,000, $2,200 to have this painted. I'm like, all right, I got too much money in this cage already. Cage, for everybody who wants to know, this cage was $5,300. I mean, I feel like, yes, I paid full retail, but I got a top drawer cage. Very happy with it. And I remember 10 years ago, you might be able to get something like this for, I don't know, $2,500. But, you know, times have changed, and high inflation, COVID, whatever, you know, you're paying more for stuff today. But overall, super happy, and I think almost all of my other stuff is bought. I don't really have to spend much more. I just got to assemble. So we'll keep the updates coming.